What's going on, boys? Welcome back. We got the man Sam back on the channel, baby. But anyways, we just rolled up to Cabela's. We're gonna be doing a little challenge today. Sam's got the new Googan baits, Rattlin Ned. You can see right there. The sauce. We're gonna go into Cabela's and we're gonna pick up some TRDs and we're gonna do a little 1v1 challenge. I'm gonna be throwing the Zman TRDs and Sam's gonna be throwing the new Googan baits, Rattlin Ned. And we're gonna have a little battle and see which one can catch more fish today. What do you think?
Obviously I'm gonna win because I'm the better fisherman. If you guys haven't checked out Mendeck Outdoors, check it out. You guys get to see me catch all the freaking fish in the Omaha area. Okay, that's a joke. I'm bad at bass fishing. Walleye fishing is more my thing. So if you guys like walleye fishing, check out the channel.
He's your local walleye slammer.
Yeah, he's a bass god though.
So yeah, let's go into Cabela's. There they is. What color should we go with? I'm kind of feeling, ooh, is this the move? Well, what color you got?
I have
You're like, should we do like a same color kind of thing?
Yeah, I have.
That'd make it more fair.
The big gray. I'd say this one be the closest.
You think that one would be the closest? No, it's more like, dude, it's almost like this, kind of.
Kinda, yeah, it's like that.
Isn't it, kind of?
Yeah.
Or this one?
Y'all wilding out here in Omaha.
Yep, there she is, boys.
No way you got this fish in here.
Oh yeah.
It's just clear.
Oh yeah. Let's get ripping. As you can see, we have made it to this little creek spot. I've actually never been here, so we're gonna give it a shot. We got the two TRDs gonna go head to head here. See who takes the dub. Let's go. Instantly. Dude, it's a giant.
That's a toad. That's a toad. Dude. You gonna grab him?
Yeah. It's a giant, dude. Get him over here.
I can't control him, dude.
Oh.
You're kidding. You're freaking kidding me. Look at this.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
My God, on the freaking Googan baits Ned rig, boys. Oh my, on the Rattlin Ned. What? Look at that fish. Okay, hold up. Let me wash him off here. But look at this fish, boys.
Jeez.
Not a bad one at all. Oh my God, that was first cast. I literally dropped it in there. I was like, you know, I'm just gonna do it for whatnot, for crap and giggles. And buddy absolutely whacked it, boys. Look at this thing.
All right, well, Sam absolutely just smacked a toad, his first cast in there. So he's gonna be kind and give me a cast real quick.
I didn't say that's a 2-pounder. I'm not a big bass fisherman.
That might have been pushing 3, dude.
Anyway.
All right, she's kind of ugly, but we're gonna give her a toss. There we go.
Oh, Ryan took up, boys.
We're on, boys. Oh gosh. Get up here, baby. There it is. Fish number 1 for me. It's all tied up. That one came on the Zman TRD. As you know, Sam's throwing the Googan baits, but that's a good one. First one for me in this tiny little creek right here. I mean, look how small this thing is. It's probably 10 feet across. See you, buddy? Go do your creek thing, boy. Hey. Oh, I had one too. Sam's hooked up. Fish number 2 for him. Had a kid. Are you gonna smack one? Oh, she got smacked. All right, I'm gonna keep going down. Let's advance. All right, you go over there. I'm gonna slap one over here. Oh, you're on again?
Yep, not a bad one. Not a bad one at all, dude.
Dude.
How do I get this one up?
I'm going in, boys. Got her, baby. Yes, sir.
Give me damn. Oh my god, dude. Not a bad fish at all. Ryan, thank you again for the good service. Look at that, boys. Mud minnow, barely hooked. Right in the corner of the mouth. Perfect.
This is gonna be something nobody's ever done before. I'm making history, Sam. First one to catch a fish off of whatever this is called. No. Oh God. That'd be terrible. Andrew would have to cover us. Andrew's like life support. What? You have another one? Oh, yeah. Big one? Sounds like Sam's got fish number 4 over there. I'm coming back, trust. God. Oh my God, that's a giant. Oh my God. Come here. That's a tank. Oh my God. Get up here. Yes. Dude. Oh my. That is insane. Look at that. Ned rig right down the gullet. God, I've been hiking through this whole forest back here, trying to get to a new spot with some depth, and pitched right under that tree right there, and this baby just cranked it. That's a healthy 2.5 pounder right there. All right, boys. There's fish number 2. We're gonna get a release on her. What was the score? 2 to 4-2. 4-2. Oh, that water feels good. Water feels good. She goes. Spicy mama. Put her there, baby. Let's go. Oh my gosh, it is hot. Bruh. Little update for you guys. It is beyond hot out here. I think it's over 100 degrees today, right?
Oh God, yeah.
101, I think.
Yeah,
but yeah, I need some water.
Or you
Creek
need some
mission.
nectar.
What?
You need some nectar.
The creek fishing mission is officially over. We might hit some more ponds in a little bit, but first we gotta hydrate because we might die out here. But yeah, the Googan baits Rattlin Ned took the dub. Sadly, I took the L. I don't take many L's, but when I do, it's usually to Sam. Right, Sam?
Yeah, no, never. Ryan always wins. It's my first time being Ryan, so.
Yep. But anyways, we're gonna go hit some ponds and let's go ahead and dip out of here. What do you say, eh?
Oh God, yeah.
Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Jeez, that sun is brutal. Anyways, the ponds are buns, boys. We're calling it a day. It was a good day fishing. Caught some creek fish. It's always a lot of fun. I got a lot of creek fishing spots, so it's always fun to hit those up, catch some big fish. We actually caught some big fish, which is kind of surprising for that little creek. But anyways, if you guys haven't checked out Mindak Outdoors, go ahead and check them out. I'll link the description down below. And that's Sam's channel. He runs that channel. He makes fishing videos and stuff like that too. So if you guys want to go check him out down below. Yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to drop a like down below for me. Leave a comment. Any videos that you guys want me to make in the near future. But anyways, that's about it. See you guys in the next one. Later.
Tell me where the cash at. I've been on the fast track. Shorty want my heart, but I can never backtrack. I just wanna smash that. Hit it, then I pass back. Shorty want my heart, but I can never backtrack. This ain't nothing new.